Hello, and welcome to another lesson on supply chain management. This segment of our lesson will cover supply chain integrations. Boxall, 1992, explained that customers were becoming more demanding and their needs and wants had changed in the modern world. The needs and wants of customers have become dynamic as well as diverse. The primary purpose of the supply chain strategy was to identify and satisfy the needs and wants of customers effectively and efficiently. But when needs and wants are changing, it is only possible to integrate supply chains for a short period as market dynamics used to change rapidly. Therefore, supply chain integration was a short-term orientation. Different organizations employ different operations strategies to satisfy the needs and wants of target customers. The supply chain was a part of the operations strategy. Another challenge for supply chain integration arises in operations as different organizations need to integrate their supply chain management only if their operations are flexible enough to allow this integration. Finally, business or trade standards for operating in different industries are different. Sometimes, the value chain for a specific product or service is scattered across different industries. Therefore, in such cases, it becomes difficult to integrate supply chains because of the difference in industry or business standards. There are different types of supply chain integration. The first is the vertical integration strategy, which allows a company to streamline its operations by directly owning various stages of its production process rather than relying on external contractors or suppliers. In the light of SC theory, the supply chain works as a singularly competitive unit, interconnected, accomplishing what many big, vertically integrated companies still need to achieve. Several examples of different companies, such as Ford Motors' vertical integration. The primary reason for failure is lack of capability and diverting from their core business. Supply chains are evolving. New entrants are coming into the market with more capabilities and skills, and every company is shrinking and minimizing its expenses and waste for healthy profits or survival in the market. Vertical integration, VI, also has some advantages, like control over the whole business, in order of quality, schedule planning and forecasting, etc. But generally, vertical integration has more disadvantages than advantages, such as lack of capability, lack of knowledge about raw material business, difficulty in managing extensive operations, and diverting from the core business of the company. According to several academic researchers, whenever a company moves 2 or more steps from its core business, it fails 2/3s of the time. Vertical integration strategy is too risky, difficult to reverse, and involves enormous costs. Sometimes vertical integration is necessary, but more often than not, it is unnecessary. The reasons senior managers justify these strategies usually need to be revised. Examples are assuring market access, building closer relationships with customers, gaining customer trust, and reducing cyclicality. These reasons are sometimes valid, but often not. Finally, whether vertical integration is profitable is a challenging question and depends on several factors, including company management capabilities, knowledge of businesses, and employees' skills. Put, vertical integration strategies are not fit to all. However, there are some success stories behind vertical integration, such as DuPont acquiring Conoco Inc. In 1981, a $7.3 billion transaction. The chairman of DuPont stated that the merger would give the firm a captive hydrocarbon feedstock source. He would minimize the exposure of the combined firms to fluctuations in the price of hydrocarbon and energy. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.